Hi, I'm Aditya, and now we are going to give you a demo of our product.
We'll first go through the architecture of our product. So first comes in the speech to text module. So this module basically takes the ongoing conversation between the customer and the service representative and converts it into a transcript. This transcript is then passed on to an LLM based planner module, which basically tries to process and understand and generates a plan. This plan is then passed on to the orchestrator. The orchestrator makes sure that each and every task assigned by the LLM based planner module has been executed and it's been verified by the intelligent RAG based database that we have. This database provides the verification, and the state of that specific task is being stored in a central controller. Once the central controller has met all the tasks and have been verified and they are onto the process of getting the refund, this signal is then passed on to the front end of UI, which basically calls the functionality of the browser use and then calls in for the customer representative to tell whether the refund has to be issued or not. We'll now pass on to the actual product demo that we have.
Okay, cool. So now we'll do a demo of a conversation, and then we'll just generate a plan. Okay.
So
So
I'll be role playing of a agent, and Aditya is gonna start with being a customer of this. We'll quickly clear the conversation, and yeah.
okay, cool. So I'll say, hi, I am calling about an issue with my recent order. I'd like to request a refund.
I'm sorry to hear that. I'll help you out. Can you please tell me your full name and the order number?
Sure. My full name is Michael Chen, and the order number is 67890.
Thank you, Michael. Please give me a moment while I check your order details here.
Now we just generate the plan. Okay. So
So I'll give you a quick walkthrough what's happening in the background. So this whole live conversation between the two people has been understood by the speech to text module, which is basically running a assembly AI API for converting the entire conversation into a transcript. This transcript it processes and gives you an entire task analysis, which needs to be considered by the LLM orchestrator that we have, and the orchestrator basically processes it with the database that we have and tells what's the state of the controller, and this is what it has generated, and based on the information of the person, it is valid for a refund. So we can, with this button gives us an option to execute this, and we are not able to get the functionality, but yeah, this is what's the final part of it. But as you can see, it works really well, automates everything that we need, and it's just a perfect option for a customer call representative agent. Thank you so much.